Imagine a battlefield. The ground is dusty, soldiers are hiding. They're tense, their eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of movement. The air is thick with anticipation and the smell of gunpowder. Every sound, every rustle could mean the difference between life and death. They are waiting for the enemy. Their hearts are pounding, adrenaline coursing through their veins. They know that any moment now the silence could be shattered by the chaos of battle. Suddenly, a pack of wolves appears, but these are not ordinary wolves. They move with a precision and coordination that is almost unnatural, their eyes glowing with an eerie light. These are not ordinary wolves. They are made of metal, their bodies gleaming in the harsh light of the battlefield. They are mechanical, their movements smooth and calculated. They are made of metal. Every part of them is designed for efficiency and lethality. Their jaws can crush steel, their claws can tear through armor. They are robot wolves, controlled by China's military. These high-tech machines are the latest in warfare technology, designed to give their operators a significant advantage on the battlefield. These robots are changing how wars might be fought in the future. They are faster, stronger, and more resilient than any living creature. They can be deployed in the harshest environments and still perform flawlessly. The arrival of these robot wolves has shocked the world. Many countries are worried. They see this as a new and terrifying escalation in the arms race. They are asking if this technology is safe. There are concerns about the ethical implications of using such machines in warfare. What happens if they fall into the wrong hands? They are also thinking about how to fight back if these robot wolves are ever used against them. Military strategists are working around the clock to develop countermeasures, while soldiers prepare for a new kind of warfare. The future of combat is here, and it is unlike anything we have ever seen before. Why would China build a robot wolf instead of just using drones? Drones have been a staple in modern warfare and surveillance for years. They are powerful tools, capable of long-range reconnaissance and targeted strikes. However, they have limitations. Drones can be easily shot down by anti-aircraft systems or even by other drones. They also struggle to navigate through dense forests or urban environments filled with obstacles. This is where robot wolves come in. Robot wolves are designed to mimic the agility and stealth of real wolves. They can move quickly and quietly over difficult terrain, making them ideal for missions in rugged landscapes. These robotic creatures can jump over obstacles and climb steep hills with ease. Their ability to blend into the environment makes them incredibly hard to detect and even harder to target. This gives them a significant advantage in stealth operations. These robot wolves are not just good at moving around, they are also very dangerous. They are equipped with advanced sensors and weapon systems. They can see in the dark. They can even tell the difference between a soldier and a civilian. Some reports say that these robot wolves can work together like a real pack. They can share information and coordinate their attacks. This makes them a formidable enemy on the battlefield. The development of robot wolves has raised many ethical concerns. These advanced machines, designed for military purposes, have sparked a heated debate among ethicists, technologists, and the general public. The core of the issue lies in the potential for these robots to be used in ways that could harm humanity. Some people believe that using robots to kill is wrong. They argue that delegating the power of life and death to machines removes the human element of compassion and moral judgment. This could lead to a future where decisions of war and peace are made by algorithms rather than humans. They worry that these robots could malfunction and harm innocent people. The possibility of technical failures raises significant safety concerns. Imagine a scenario where a robot misinterprets a command or experiences a software glitch, leading to unintended casualties. Others are concerned about the possibility of these robots being hacked and used for terrorist attacks. Cybersecurity experts warn that as these machines become more integrated into military operations, they could become targets for malicious actors seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. The world is watching China's robot wolves with a mix of fear and fascination. As one of the leading developers of this technology, China's advancements are closely monitored by other nations, raising questions about global power dynamics and the future of international relations. The future of warfare is changing right before our eyes. The integration of robotic technology into military strategies signifies a shift towards more automated and potentially less predictable forms of conflict. This evolution prompts us to reconsider the rules of engagement and the ethical boundaries of warfare. What do you think about this new technology? Public opinion is divided, with some seeing it as a necessary advancement for national security, while others view it as a step too far. The debate continues as society grapples with the implications of these innovations. Is it a step towards a safer world or a dangerous path we are going down? The choices we make today will shape the future of technology and its role in our lives. It's up to us to navigate these ethical dilemmas and decide the direction we want to take.